In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to set up PayPal account for integration, which means how to integrate PayPal gateway in a website. In this example, we're gonna use WooCommerce. First step is to visit the PayPal developer website to access the sandbox environment. Click on the Login into Dashboard button to proceed. You can either create a new PayPal account or log in with an existing one. Upon logging in, choose the country location and enter your email. And create a new password for your Sandbox account. Once your account is created, you'll be directed to the developer dashboard. You need to familiarize yourself with the developer dashboard, where you'll find tools and resources for testing payment gateways. Take note of any error logs or notifications for troubleshooting purposes. After setting up your Sandbox account, the next step is to integrate PayPal with your WooCommerce store or any store. Follow the specific instructions provided by WooCommerce for integrating PayPal as your payment gateway, and test various transaction scenarios to ensure seamless functionality. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.